This single engine dominated the track and became a legend. Here's why the RB26DETT is still the king of JDMs. But before we dive into that, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe and comment below as we're on the road to 500 followers. Once we hit that milestone, we'll be doing a giveaway. And to qualify, you just need to be subscribed to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment below. Now, let's dive into the details. This incredible powerhouse featured individual throttle bodies for each cylinder and a factory forged crankshaft. While it was famously underrated at 276 horsepower, it could easily handle much more. You'll find this engine in the Nissan SkylineGTR models like the R32, 33, and 34. And for a real insider fact, the standard engine block has a stamp that reads 05U, while the stronger N1 Racing version has a 24U stamp. If you come across one of these, just know, to a car enthusiast, this is worth more than gold. So if you guys enjoyed this fun fact and learned something new, go ahead and like, follow, share, and subscribe for more quirky car facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.